Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be another ride-along video. I'm actually starting out pretty late. Started at 6 p.m. tonight, and I'm just gonna go until it's literally no more orders on my screen. So let's see how this night goes. Wish me luck. Okay, this is great. Waiting already. You can see the pickup time right here. It says 6:15, and it is 6:16. I love when this happens, man. When the app tells you a specific time and then the restaurant just says, yeah, a couple more minutes. But hey, what can I say? It's 1 mile. I'll take it. All right, so I just got a pretty big boy order that's 10 miles. And I just finished the first order, which actually came out to $10. Thank the Lord. But I'm gonna show you this one right here. This is actually pretty surprising. For a Wednesday, boom, $17.90. I'm definitely taking that. Well, I'm in a bit of a pickle. I have almost no gas, and I have an 8-mile drive. Oh, brother. $3.59. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. All right, so that was a pretty good order. That took forever, though. After me getting gas and all that, that was about a 30-minute drive one way. But I am now at $35.50, baby. There's my total right there to my right. Hell yeah, baby. But now I have a 15-minute drive home, another 8 miles. So I'll show you the total mile counter at the end of this shift. Hopefully it's not too high, but I am shooting for less than 150 per mile, if that could be possible. Let's get the show on the road. Let's keep going. I'm now in the heart of Echo Park, and got myself a $10 2-mile order, baby. The shop is right there, called Ostrich Farm, but I'm a little too early, so now to play the waiting game. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, it is now 7:58 p.m. My gosh, Doordash dies so quickly, doesn't it? So I've only done 3 deliveries and I am at $48, and it scares me to say this, but I might have to clock out early because I just drove through all the hotspots that I know that are on a straight line and not one order pinged, which is a really bad sign. And I'm just gonna camp here for a little bit. Hopefully I get something. If I don't get anything within the next 10 minutes, I'm legit just gonna go home. I don't want to get these sad boy deliveries like these $3 10-mile deliveries, dude. My car is worth more than that. I'm worth more than that. I am at a whole nother area now. This is a pizza joint right here that usually gives me orders on weekends. I think it's dead. Is my app gone? Is it broken? Nope, it's working. Yeah, it's dead tonight. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here's our earnings breakdown right here. We ended up with 3 deliveries in 2 hours from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. with an earnings of $48, which is pretty nuts. And we drove 21.8 miles, leading us to a $2.20 dollar to miles ratio. That's usually my metric for how a shift is going to go. I know today was pretty slow, but considering the amount of money I made, I can't complain. So that's all I got for you guys today. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.